Last section, Achievers section, which has 2 marks for each question. 31st question, read the given statements carefully and select the correct option. Statement P rounded off the number 5,84,921 to the nearest thousands gives 5,85,000. Statement Q sum of place values of the digit 2 and 5 in the number 25,890 is 26,000. Let's first check with the statement P. Here, if we round off to the nearest thousands, we are supposed to check with the hundreds place. Hundreds place is 9. 9 is greater than 5. 5,85,000, which is correct. P statement is true. Let's quickly see Q statement. Sum of place values of the digit 2 and 5 in the number 25,890 is 26,000. 2 in 25,000 place value. How could we write? 20,000. Okay. 5 in 25,000 we could write as 5,000 children. So if we add these two numbers, 0 plus 0 is 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5 children, 2 plus 0 is 2, 25,000. So here it's given 26,000, so it is false. This is incorrect statement. So only P is true is our answer. Option A is our correct answer. 32nd one, a circle was divided into 8 equal parts. It is then colored with different colors. Study the given figure carefully and answer the following questions. First one, find the fraction of number of parts colored with red to the whole figure. Find the fraction of number of parts colored with blue color to the number of parts colored with green color. Yes, quickly find out the first statement, red color to the whole, right here. Yeah, let's write here 1, 2, 3. Okay, children, 3 to the whole parts. It's clearly given 8 equal parts. So 3 by 8. Second one, find the fraction of number of parts colored with blue to the number of parts colored with green. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 green colors. 1, 2. 2 blue colors. How could we write, children? Okay, children, 2 by 3. Second statement is 2 by 3. First statement is 3 by 8. Option A 3 by 8. Second figure is 3 by 5 wrong. Option B, first figure's fraction is 4 by 8. Second fraction is 3 by 4 wrong. Option C 3 by 8. In figure 2, 2 by 3. Yes, option C is our correct answer, children. 33rd question. The given pictograph shows the number of food packets distributed by some persons of a locality on different days. Study the graph carefully and answer the following questions. Here are the number of days given. Number of food packets distributed. On Monday, how many food packets are distributed? Let's count. And here is a hint given, children. Each food packet shows 500 packets. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, and each food packet is showing 500 packets in it. So 500 into 6. How much? 6 into 0, 0, 6 into 0, 0. 6 into 5 is nothing but 3000, children. Sorry, 30, 3000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are there. So each food packet has 500 packets in it. 500 into 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 fives are 25. Now, Wednesday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 500 into 7. 7 zeros are 0. 7 zeros are 0. 7 fives are 35. Thursday, 1, 2, 3, 4. 500 into 4, children. 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 0, 0. 4 fives are 20. So So 2000. On Friday, 1, 2, 3. 500 into 3. 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 0, 0. 3 5s are 15. Okay, 1500 food packets were distributed on Friday. So let's read the statements. On which day maximum number of food packets were distributed? Check. On Monday 3000, on Tuesday 2500, on Wednesday 3500, on Thursday 2000, on Friday 1500. So maximum food packets were distributed on Wednesday. So here Wednesday. Okay. How many more food packets were distributed on Thursday and Friday together than on Tuesday? So let's find out the difference between these two. Thursday plus Friday. Friday. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5 is 5 children. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. On Tuesday, you're supposed to do the difference between these two. On Tuesday, 2500 packets were distributed. So let's write the number over here. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1000 food packets were distributed. This is the difference between these two. First statement option A Tuesday. Second statement 1000. Option B first statement Wednesday. Second statement 1000. Yeah, it's correct. Option B is our correct answer, children. Few sides are not given on figure Q. Let's find out the sides which are not given. Opposite sides are equal. So here it becomes 4 centimeters. And which is not given. So here it's not given, children. This is for this. Here it's not given. Let's find out this first. Opposite sides are equal. So let's draw a line over here. So here it becomes inside it's 4. 6 here. 6 minus 4 is nothing but equal to 2. It is 2. So opposite sides are equal. So it becomes 2 centimeters, children. Now all the sides are there. So now we are supposed to add all these sides. Let's start from here. 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. Okay, let's add all this. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 6, 13 plus 3, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 4, 26, 26 plus 2, 28, 28 plus 4, 32, 32 plus 8, 40, 40 centimeters. So perimeter of Q is 40 centimeters. Let's find the difference between these two. 44 minus 40. 4 minus 0 is 4, children. 4 minus 4 is 0. So perimeter's difference is 4 centimeter, children. Option A, 4 centimeters is our correct answer, children. Now 35th question. Find the value of y plus z minus x divided by 3. Here x is not known, z is not known, and y is not known. Let's find out. 42,567. Here it's division. 18 to 36. So x value becomes 2, children. 2 minus 6 will not go. So 12 minus 6 is 6, children. Here it becomes 3. 3 minus 3 is 0, children. Take 5 down here. 18 3 is 54, children. 5 minus 4 is 1, children. Now take 6 down over here. 18 3 is 54 done. 18 6 are 108, children. So 16 minus 8 is 8. 1 minus 1 0. So 18 4s are 72, children. 7 minus 2 is 5. 8 minus 7 is 1. So we got now y as 1 plus z as 4, children, and x is 2, children. So 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 minus 2 divided by 3. This is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 ones are square exactly divisible. So 1 is our answer. Option A 2 wrong. Option B 3 wrong. Option C 1 is our correct answer. So we are done with IMO of 2022 paper, children. Thank you. Please like and subscribe, children. Bye, children.